Hello, my dear student. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very special success story of one of our students, Sayanti Basak. So Sayanti Basak have done her B.SC from Guwahati University in Zoology, and then she did her master's from Wildlife Institute of India, which is popularly known as WII, right? So she was preparing with us in the live online program for GATE EY or Ecology Evolution. In that, she got a All India rank of 287 in GATE Ecology Evolution for 2023. So on this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Sayanti Basak for her future interviews of PhD through GATE, and we wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering GATE Ecology Evolution program for 2024. Apart from that, GATE Environmental Science Engineering is also there. The institute also offering NET-JRF program in offline, online, and correspondence with video programs. Along with that, the M.SC programs for any of the life science stream, including environment, is available there. A special interview and teaching guidance for the people who wish to pursue their master's and PhD from abroad in any of the university from US or Europe. So those who are interested, they can reach us via the given numbers or our web page. Once again, we would like to congratulate our student Sayanti Basak for the achievement she has done in GATE Ecology and Evolution. Thank you.